LBSi's AMP Item Projected Availability screen is useful for viewing the current and future availability of an item in your warehouse. It shows you key information like the projected on-hand quantity, as well as what is causing the inventory to change. This screen, just like any other AMP screen, can be viewed after planning has been generated with the AMP Planning Generation window in order to get the most updated information. To access the AMP Item Projected Availability window, navigate to MRP, AMP Item Projected Availability. The AMP Item Projected Availability screen may display an item already. You can search for a different item by changing the window to Find mode, or by using the navigation arrows above. The header portion of the window will display information about the selected item. The item field will contain the item number, and below that in the description field will be the name or description of the item. The last field will display the warehouse that the information pertains to in the window. If you would like to change the warehouse, you can do so by changing the window to Find mode and select a different warehouse from the drop-down. The main table portion will contain all of your column detail fields. The first column is the due date that the document must be created by, or if it has already been created, then it will represent when the delivery is due. The next column will display the type of document that is triggering the change in quantity for the item. Following that is the document number in the document number field. You can view the document by clicking on the golden arrow next to the number. If the document is a planned purchase or production order, the document number will just be a placeholder, and you will not be able to click on the golden arrow since the document has not been created yet. The document line column will display what line number from the document the item appears on. The numbering begins with 0, so since the item has a 0 document line number, it will be the first item on the corresponding document. The quantity column will show you how the document is affecting the total quantity of inventory. If the number is positive, it is adding inventory to the projected on-hand quantity, and if it is negative, then it will take away from the projected on-hand quantity. The projected on-hand quantity represents how much of on-hand quantity the item is projected to have in the current warehouse once the corresponding document goes through. A message may appear in the message column, indicating what the user should do with the corresponding document. The demand parent item column displays the parent item that is on the demand document. Following that in the parent type column will be the document type of the demand document. Finally, in the parent document number column will be the document number from the demand document. In this instance, since one of the demand types is due to safety stock being added to the item in this warehouse, there is no document number to go with it, since no document has been created. LBSi's AMP Item Projected Availability screen gives you important information when it comes to the availability of an item in one of your warehouses. Join us in future videos as we break down how LBSi's AMP module can help you improve your existing SAP Business One planning functionality. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. As an SAP Gold partner, LBSi can help you take full advantage of everything the system has to offer. To get in contact with us, visit our website at www.lbsi.com and navigate to the contact link. You can also email us at sales@lbsi.com for sales-related inquiries, or sapsupport@lbsi.com if you're an existing client in need of support assistance.